In this video, I'm going to show you how to add BTCUSD in MT5 mobile. Now, the first thing you have to do is actually sign into a broker on MT5, which allows the trading of Bitcoin, okay? So to do this, you want to go to the bottom left or to the whatever menu, and you want to go to the top left and tap on the three lines. And from here, you want to go to manage accounts, and you actually want to add an account which allows the trading of BTCUSD and usually crypto as well, okay? So over here, as you can see, I have a bunch of different accounts ready. Now this one, the demo one, I'm currently signed in from MetaQuote, so MT5 doesn't actually allow that, and you can't add BTCUSD on here. However, if I go to the bottom and, for example, use this demo account from Deriv, this is going to allow it. So let me actually connect to it really quickly over here. There we go. I'm going to tap on sign in. And then I'm going to go to the quotes bottom left, and I'm going to go to the top right where you can see the plus button. And in here, I can go and type in BTCUSD. So BTCUSD, there we go. And as you can see, I've added that one already. But of course, if I wouldn't, I would be able to just tap on the plus button to the very right where there's a check mark right now. And just like this, as you can see, I've added it to my quotes. I could go back out, and in here, I can see that BTCUSD is now available at the very bottom. I can tap on it, place the order, open the properties, open the chart, stuff like that. And that's very easy to do. So of course, the most important part here is that you're actually logged in with a broker which supports crypto, and that's pretty much all. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.